Welcome to the student walkthrough of Learning.com. In order to access Learning.com, your student will need to log in to their Launchpad account. In order to access their Launchpad, they'll need to log in at launchpad.classlink.com/FCS. To sign into Launchpad, they'll need to log in with their FCS credentials using their student ID number and their birthday, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year. Then click the Sign In button. Once Launchpad comes up, they'll need to search for the Learning.com icon and click the link. And now your student is in their class on Learning.com. So you'll see this class activity window, and on the left side is their assignments, and the right side are grades for any completed assignments. Your child will need to click the first active link in the assignment list and begin the lesson. Now when the lesson pops up, these are what you'll type, and down here is a keyboard diagram to help students learn where to place their fingers. So you'll begin the lesson and continue until you've run out of things to type. And when you finish, a completion window will pop up, give them an accuracy score, and then allow them to click the exit button. Once they click the exit button, they can begin a new assignment here by clicking the next assignment or log out. And that is how your child can complete their keyboarding assignment from Learning.com.